结好，速成成为广东省的第20队伍。
是的，对于我们广东的游客来说呢，宿务是一个非常热情迷人的地方。一提到宿务，大家都会想到阳光和沙滩，就会有一个好的心情。
是，那么宿务地处热带，温度很高，我们的热情也是非常之高涨。今天晚上来自菲律宾宿务大学舞蹈团的朋友们，将我们带来非常经典的菲律宾的传统舞蹈。
Ladies and gentlemen, next on the stage is festival dance by University of Cebu Dance Company, the Philippines. Let's welcome.
请欣赏。
Cebu is the festival island of the Philippines. Blessed with faith, fun, and fiesta, the Cebuanos celebrate life with a unparalleled passion. Almost all towns and cities on the island of Cebu have their own unique, colorful, and exciting festival. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you Cebu, the festival island. Municipality of Argao, province of Cebu, Philippines. La Torta Festival is a celebration of Argao's most esteemed and cherished delicacy, La Torta. It is a distinctive symbol of Argao's generosity as it is offered to household guests and presented as a gift to family and friends. In reverence to St. Michael the Archangel, Argao unites to pay tribute to La Torta. And so we say, venga, venga, aquí está La Torta Festival on the municipality of Argao, province of Cebu. La Torta. Dance Company, province of Cebu, Philippines.